Hi, I'm Kirk Duncan. Hopefully you know by now I'm the new head of school at Carolina Day School. I just wanted to kind of communicate to the CDS community in a little different way than I have in the past. Really enjoying the every other week communication about such things as design learning or the way that we're approaching curriculum throughout the program. So I enjoy those and will continue doing those. But I want to take this as an opportunity. It's a little bit of an experiment about how to kind of reach out to the community in a little different way than I have in the past. So we're going to try this and see if it works, so bear with me. One of the things that I would really like to tell the whole community about is how much I am really enjoying being at Carolina Day School. All those wonderful ideas that people had during the interview process about moving the school forward in strategic ways and starting this lower school project, those have all come into fruition in a way that I think is incredibly exciting for the school and frankly really exciting for me. It's just fun to be a part of. I just love coming here every day. Just a couple of little updates. One is that the plans for the lower school project are on track as we head toward a June groundbreaking, so that's very exciting. Our fundraising is off to a great start. Our strategic plan is in the final stages of sort of initiative building, and we'll really look forward to letting you know about our published strategic plan that'll be coming out in the fall. So all that is right on track. A couple other things that are maybe more immediate. One is we are fixing up our baseball diamond. And when I first came here and looked out there, it kind of looked like somebody had abandoned a park baseball diamond. So I was on that with some of the other people here who really are excited about baseball. So what we're able to do is attract a really generous gift toward fixing up our baseball diamond, and that's well on its way. Now, we said it was going to be ready for the opening of baseball season, which is just next week, but because of our infamous 2 weeks of snow, we will not be in that position to open. But we will open maybe about 3 or 4 games in the season. So update on that. And the other thing, this summer we're going to start updating our Nash Gymnasium and new floor, new bleachers, and we'll have more for you on that. Anyway, love to touch base on the video every once in a while with you. I hope this works for you. Always up for feedback, so I'll see you around campus.